At Metro East Literacy Project, every book bag tells a story. Families joined us at our storage unit open house to get a behind-the-scenes look at how we prepare and distribute 25-book family literacy kits filled with books for both children and adults. Thanks to our incredible high school and college volunteers who help make this work possible. Literacy changes lives, and there's a place for everyone in this mission. Mark your calendars for our pool party on August 23rd. Come cool off, meet our board members, connect with other families, and learn how you can get involved. Visit MetroEastLiteracyProject.org to learn more.
Hi, my name is Aubrey. I am a senior at O'Fallon Township High School. When I was little, I had this obsession with fairies. I was always, making little houses for them and stuff. So my mom went out and she bought this whole series of fairy books. So I started reading them, I devoured them, I loved them, and that just started my interest in reading. And then since then, I've just loved finding more books and, figuring out what I like and reading all the different things.
Hello, my name is Jermaine Cooper and I'm a freshman at O'Fallon High School. I read Prisoner 3907, and it was about the Holocaust, and I like it. It talks about a young man trying to escape the Holocaust.
My name's Nadia and I am first grade. Because she brings fun games.
She brings fun games? What's one game that you like playing with her?
Zingo.
Hi, my name is Josiah and I'm a graduate of Illinois Mathematics and Science Academy. I love to read fantasy. I've always enjoyed fantasy, like magic and everything. That's my favorite genre. When I was younger, I read this book called Rump about Rumpelstiltskin. Because at the time I was watching a show called Once Upon a Time.
Hi, I'm Jimmy Rowe. I'm a third-year medical student at SLU Hospital, and I'm out here to help volunteer with you. Well, I found out this opportunity through an online search of different volunteer projects, and this one really piqued my interest. It was super unique. Literature is just such an important thing for everyone. It helps you professionally, and it also helps you personally. It exposes you to different ideas and perspectives that you wouldn't otherwise have. It helps you grow as a person. And also literature is just fun. I feel like everyone should have the opportunity to read and educate themselves and just read books.